Hello, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So, scholars, today we'll continue with chapter number 5. That is numbers up to 100. And this is part 2 of chapter number 5. So, we will cover all the remaining topics of this chapter in this video. So, let's continue with the chapter now. So, scholars, will continue from page number 95. How many? Count and fill in the boxes, then add. Okay, so can you see the pictures given here? 7 tray of 10 eggs each and 7 loose ones. So we can see here 7 trays of eggs are kept here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each tray has 10 eggs. That means 70 eggs. And 7 eggs are kept in loose. That means other than the tray. A tray has 10 eggs and 7 are kept in loose. So we need to add them. So what? First we need to write them. In the tray 70 eggs are there and 7 are kept in loose. 77 is a 1-digit number, so it will be written under the ones column. So now we need to add. So what is the step to add? First, always start with the ones. 0 plus 7 will give 7. And then step number 2, add the tens. Only 7 is there in tens, that 7 will come down. So answer is 77. That means 77 eggs are here. Let's see the next one. 5 bunches of 10 bananas each and 3 loose ones. Okay, so here 5 bunches of bananas are here and each bunch has 10 eggs. That means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 are there in the bunch. So let us write it here first. And then how many are kept in loose? 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we need to add them and find out how many bananas are there. So 50 we will write it here. And 3, 1-digit number. So it will be written under the ones column. Now simply add them. 0 plus 3 will give answer 3 and 5 will come down. So total 53 bananas are here. Now here at this stage, I would like to tell you one more type in which the question can also come. Suppose here 3 bananas are left. Now, as I have, it is given in the question that one bunch has 10 bananas. So what will be the number, missing number in this one? How many bananas are missing here? To find out that, let's draw. Suppose these 10 bananas were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now out of that, only 3 bananas are left here. So let's cut them first. 1, 2, 3. Now count the remaining one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7 bananas are missing from this bunch. Okay, so this is the other way in which the question can be asked. Okay, let's see this third one now. 6 stacks of 10 biscuits each and 7 loose ones. So 6 stacks of 10 biscuits each are kept. So that means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So first let us write 60 here. And then how many are kept in loose? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to add them. Let's write them here first. 60 and 7 under the ones column. Now add the ones first. 0 plus 7 will give 7, because when we add 0 to any number, the answer will be the number itself. 6 will come as it is because nothing is there to add. So this is the way how you need to find out. And then you need to add them and fill in the box. Now I would like you all to do this one and this one as homework. Okay? So now let's move on to our next page. Page number 97. Numbers before, after, between. Scholars, before, after, between we have already studied in chapter number 1. Here we will study numbers up to 100. Okay? So here few numbers are given here and we need to find out the number before and after that number. So let's take the first number 44. We will find out what comes before and after 44. So first see the number given in the tens place, that is 4. It will be the same, only the number in the ones place will change here. What is the number in the ones place? 4. And we are writing the number that comes before. So what comes before 4? 3. Yes, correct. So 3. That means 43 is the answer. 43 comes just before 44. Now we need to find out what comes after 44. For that again there will be no change in tens place. It will remain the same. And now what is the number in the ones place? 4. And we need to find out the number that comes after. So what comes after 4? Yes, 5. That means 45 is the answer. So the number that comes after 44 is 45. Okay. Now let's take this number 60. Now here we cannot write the number in the tens place as it is because there will be a change. Now to find out that what comes just before 60, or you can find out 1 less than 60. What is 1 less than 60? It will be 59. There will be a change in the tens place. In the tens place, the number 6 will become 5 and 0 will become 9. So the number just before 60 is 59. Now we need to find out the number that comes just after. So you can find out 1 more than 60. So what is 1 more than 60? What comes after 60? Yes, 61. So we can write it here 61 like this. Okay. Now let's take 76. So here, because the number is in the middle, so there will be no change in the tens place. 7 will be written as it is. Now what is in the ones place? 6. What comes just before 6? Yes, 5. So 75 is the answer that comes just before 76. Now we need to find out what comes after 76. 7 will remain as it is. What comes after 6? 7. Yes, so we can write 7 here. Okay? This is the way how you find out before and after. Now let's do the number that comes in between. We need to find out the number that comes just between the two numbers that are given here. See the first one. Here, the number in the tens place are same, 5. That means we will write 5 as it is. Now only we need to see the number in the ones place. Here it is 2 and here it is 4. What comes between 2 and 4? Yes, 3. That means 53 is the correct answer. 52, 53, 54. Now let's do this one. 41, 43. Again, tens place both are having 4. So it will remain the same. See the ones number in the ones place. Here 1 and here 3. What comes between 1 and 3? Yes, 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Now see the last one. Both the number in the tens place are 7. That will remain the same. Now here it is 0 and here it is 2 in the ones place. So what comes between 0 and 2? Yes, 1. So correct answer is 1. 70, 71, 72. Okay? Now come to the next question, comparing numbers, which we have already done. Ring the bigger number. So let's see the first one, 40, 94. As I've already told you, I've already explained you how to find out a bigger number or a smaller number. So how to find out a bigger number? First see the digits. Both are having 2 digits. We can't find. So see the number in the tens place. Here it is 4, here it is 9. Which is greater? Which is bigger? 9 is bigger than 4. That means 94 is bigger. So we will circle it. Okay. Let's see the next one. Again, both are having 2 digits. See the tens, number in the tens place. Here it is 2, here it is 8. Which is bigger? 2 is bigger or 8 is bigger? 8 is bigger. That means 88 is a bigger number. Now, let's see this last one. Both are having 2 digits. So we need to find out tens place. 7 and 6. Which is greater? 7 is greater than 6. So 7 is a bigger number. We will circle it. Now same way we need to find out the smaller number. Both are having same digits. 2, 2. So we need to see the number in the tens place. Here it is 4, here it is 6. Now we are finding smaller number. So which is smaller, 4 or 6? 4 is smaller. So we will circle 4 here, 46. That means smaller. Okay. See one more. 84 and 29. This one. Now here it is 8 and here it is 2 in the tens place. Which is smaller? 8 or 2? 8 is smaller. So, 2 is smaller. So, we will circle 2, 29. Okay. So, this is the way how you need to find out a bigger number and smaller number. So, I would like the remaining one you need try at home yourself. Okay. Now, we will move on to our next page. Increasing and decreasing order. We have already started increasing and decreasing order also. What is the meaning of decreasing order? Decreasing means from big to small. We need to arrange the number from big to small. And what is the meaning of increasing? It means from small to big. So first we will start with decreasing order, which means from big to small. Okay, first one is already done. We will do the second one. Here we are we are doing big to small. So first we need to find out which is the bigger number. First see, all the numbers are having 2 digits. Now we need to find out, we will have to see the number in the tens place. Here it is 4, here 5, 5, 5. That means 4, we can put it aside. Now we need to take 5, 5 and 5. All are having 5 in the tens place. We cannot find out which is greater and which is smaller. So here we need to find out, we need to take the numbers in the ones place. Here it is 9, here it is 5 and here it is 2. As we have to arrange from big to small, so which is the bigger number? 9 is bigger. So let us first number them. This is 1. Now what is smaller than 9? 5. So this will be number 2. Then number 3. And now here 4 will automatically will be the smallest number. So it will be 4. Now as we have given numbers, we need to arrange them accordingly. 59, number 1. 55, number 2. 52, number 3. And 43, number 4. So see, it is arranged from biggest to smallest. That means in decreasing order. This is the way how you arrange them in decreasing order. That means from big to small. Now, how to arrange them in increasing order? That means from small to big. So what we have done in decreasing order, just do the opposite of that. First see the digits in all the numbers. Here it is 2, here it is 1, here 2, here also 2. Which is the smallest one? One digit is smallest, so automatically it will come on the first place. Now this number we have done, so we can cancel it. Now only 3 numbers are remaining. So which is the number that will come on the second place? So we need to find out. First see the tens place. Here it is 1, here it is 9, here it is 9. Which is smaller? Which is the smallest one? 1 is the smallest one. That means automatically 19 will come at the second place. So again this number is cancelled. Now only 2 numbers are left. 9, 9. Both are having same number. 9, 9 in the tens place. So we need to see the number in the ones place. Here it is 0. Here it is 1. Which is the smaller one? 0 is the smaller? Yes. So that means this is the third number. And the last is the remaining one, that is 91. See, it is arranged from in increasing order. That means from small to big. Okay. So this is the way how you arrange in increasing and decreasing order. Now try to do the remaining one as homework. Okay. Let's come to the next question. Fill in the boxes by counting back. Here we need to count back. That means simply we have to do a backward counting. Okay. See the first one. 75, 74. What comes? What will be the counting when we do backward counting? 7 will remain as it is. What here? See the numbers in the ones place. 5, 4. So here will come 3. 73. Then 72. Then 71. Backward counting is going on. Okay. Now see the next one. 90. As we are doing counting, now we have to do backward counting. 89. 88. Then 87. And at the last 86. This is the way how we will do backward counting. See one more. 62. Now here some numbers, few numbers are given. We need to fill the other one. 62. What comes before 62? 61. Then 60. Then before 60, 59 comes. That is already written. And what comes before 59? 58. See, it's so simple. We just need to write the backward counting. Clear? So try this one yourself. Now let's move on to the next page and the last page. Counting in jumps. Continue the coloring pattern. Count in 2. See the coloring pattern. The numbers that are colored, that are in colored. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we can also color the remaining one. What will be the next pattern after that? It's in counting in 2. Then leaving 11, 12. Then leaving 13, 14 we will be coloring. Then leave 15, 16 will be colored. Leave 17, 18 will be colored. Leaving 19, 20 will be colored. Now we need to write down the pattern that we have, that is colored. 2, 4, 6, then 8. So we will write here 8, then 10. Then which one we have colored? 12, then 14, then 16, then 18, and the last one is 20. See? Okay. Now, how many legs? Count in twos to find. How many legs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boys are here, and each boy has 2 legs. So total how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Total 12 legs because we are counting in 2. Okay. Now, continue the coloring pattern. Count in 5. We have to continue this pattern. So, let me take green color and then we will continue with the pattern. 5, 15, then 25, 35, 45. This is the pattern that we have to continue. Here also 20, 30, 40, 50. When we count in 5, like suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will color 5. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting. When we are doing counting, 5, 5 counting. And then we are shading it. Now we need to write down the pattern that we have colored. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. This was the pattern that we have done. Now, how many fingers? Count in 5 to find out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, 25 fingers are here. Okay? As we have counted in 5. So, scholars, here we come to the end of chapter number 5. Now, keep revising and practicing these sums at home. And the worksheet and assignment related to this topic, this chapter, is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.